daw. Sige lang.
Patingnan ko.
Later. Sige pa ah. Earth bending. Fire bending.
Air bending.
Air bending.
Water bending.
Water bending. Earth bending. Earth bending.
Gusto ko tingnan